Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So again, the next tissue that we will start, it is connective tissue. Earlier we have discussed about the epithelial tissue. As I discussed with you that we will discuss these four tissues one by one. In the previous session, I discussed about the epithelial tissue. The main function of the epithelial was to provide is to provide protection. Next tissue, that is connective tissue. In the connective tissue, as it contains different parts, we will discuss about the connective tissue. That connective tissue is classified into three types: connective tissue proper, fluid connective tissue, and the supporting connective tissue. Before starting this classification, I want to tell you that this classification is based on the liquid material, liquid matrix, which is present in between the cells of these tissue. So on the basis of that matrix, these three type of tissues are classified. First one is connective tissue proper. In this kind of tissue, the material is jelly like. Matrix जो होता है इसमें कैसा होता है? Jelly like matrix. Second is fluid connective tissue. The name indicates fluid. The matrix, the liquid material, that is just a kind of fluid. And supporting, it is also known as hard connective tissue. Supporting connective tissue contain very hard matrix, solid matrix. So on the basis of matrix, these tissue are of three types. Connective tissue proper contain two, loose and dense, in which all the materials are loosely arranged, and dense, in which all the material, all the cells are densely arranged. Densely means बहुत एक दूसरे के पास पास होते हैं. Fluid connective tissue is of two type, blood and lymph. Supporting connective tissue is also of two type, cartilage and bone. These names are common for you. Structure of connective tissue, every connective tissue, any one out of these, कोई भी connective tissue है, every connective tissue contain these things. The first, they contain cells, the second, they contain fibers, and the third, they contain ground substances, means their matrix. The cells that every connective tissue contain, these are fibroblast, macrophage, mast cell, plasma cell, lymphocyte, leukocytes, and adipose cell. All these different kind of cells are present in these tissue. Now it depends on different tissue that which cells are present in which one, but everyone contains cells. Fibers, reticular fiber, elastic fiber, collagen fiber. जो छोटे छोटे रेशे टाइप सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट होते हैं टिश्यू के अंदर, these are fibers, and these fibers are of three type. All these names are very new for you, but if you go through your NCERT, then it will be clear that these are the kind of fibers which are present in our body. And the ground substance, it contains some macromolecules, multi-adhesive glycoprotein, मीन्स फाइबर सेल, इन सबको आपस में कनेक्ट कराने के लिए, जोड़ने के लिए भी तो कुछ मटेरियल चाहिए, एंड दैट मटेरियल इज नोन एज ग्राउंड सब्सटेंस. So that is present here. As I discussed with you that these three tissues are different on the basis of the matrix ground substance present in them. So this ground substance in different type of tissues. Let's start one by one. The first one is blood, means it is connective tissue. Blood, the whole blood is divided into two parts. One is plasma and the another one is formed element. These are the cells. Means blood के अंदर, blood में जो liquid present है और उस liquid में जो cells present है. The liquid which is called plasma, it makes the 55% of the whole blood. Means पूरे blood में अगर देखा जाए तो blood में plasma 55% है, and cells, formed elements, these are only 45%. Plasma contain all these things: amino acids, nutrients, proteins, all these things. Most of the name are not important for you. These three are very important: amino acids, nutrients, and proteins. Cells are of three types. Leukocytes, these are known as WBCs. Erythrocytes, these are known as RBCs. And platelets. WBCs are of two types. Granulocyte मीन्स इनमें जो मैट्रिक्स होता है सेल का, सेल के अंदर का साइटोप्लाज्म, नॉट मैट्रिक्स, सेल के अंदर का जो साइटोप्लाज्म होता है वो थोड़ा ग्रेन्युलेटेड होता है, बारीक बारीक दानेदार. ए ग्रेन्युलोसाइट मीन्स इसमें जो सेल का साइटोप्लाज्म है वो दानेदार नहीं है. ग्रेन्युलोसाइट इज ऑफ थ्री टाइप: न्यूट्रोफिल्स, बेसोफिल, इओसिनोफिल. A granulocyte is of two type: lymphocytes and monocytes. ये इतने सारे नाम आप देख के घबराना मत, क्योंकि ये सारे बहुत इजी हैं और जब आप पढ़ते रहोगे तो ये इजीली आपको याद भी होंगे. तो हमारे ब्लड में ये सारी चीजें प्रेजेंट हैं. देखिए हम आजकल हम कोरोना के चक्कर में बात करते हैं इम्यूनिटी की. सो दीज ल्यूकोसाइट्स, WBCs, ये हमारी इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ाने का काम करती हैं. दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू कैन सी हेयर एरिथ्रोसाइट. ये देखिए शेप इनकी, क्योंकि फिगर में दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है बट ये बीच में जो एरिया है, दिस इज बेसिकली द डिप्रेशन. तो इनकी शेप कुछ ऐसी होती है जैसे आपने 8th क्लास में कॉनकेव लेंस पढ़ा था. किनारों पे से तो ये मोटी है और सेंटर में से ये पतली है, तो इनको बाई कॉनकेव शेप सेल बोला जाता है. एरिथ्रोसाइट, रेड ब्लड सेल्स. Leukocytes are known as white blood cells. As I told you that they contain different granules: basophil, eosinophil, neutrophil. इसमें आप न्यूक्लियस देखिए, दो लोब में बटा हुआ न्यूक्लियस है. ये न्यूक्लियस, इसकी शेप डिफरेंट है. इओसिनोफिल का न्यूक्लियस देखिए, एंड न्यूट्रोफिल मल्टीलोब है. जबकि यहाँ इसमें ये जो ग्रेन्यूल्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं ये बहुत कम है, जबकि इनके अंदर देखिए कितने ग्रेन्यूल्स हैं. तो इनमें ग्रेन्यूल्स क्लियरली दिखाई देते हैं पर इनमें नहीं. Lymphocytes and monocytes, and these are the platelets. These are almost triangular shape, and हम platelets को cell नहीं बोलेंगे because these are not the cells. These are the small fragments of the cell. Cell का एक छोटा सा टूटा हुआ part है, but it is very important. छोटा है पर बहुत important है. Erythrocyte, they transport oxygen and help transport carbon dioxide. हमारी बॉडी में जितनी भी मटेरियल्स को ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जाता है, इट इज थ्रू दीज RBCs. ल्यूकोसाइट, द मेन फंक्शन इज डिफेंस, हमें बचाती है, एंड हमें प्रोवाइड कराती है इम्यूनिटी. इम्यूनिटी मीन्स एन एबिलिटी टू फाइट अगेंस्ट इन्फेक्शंस लाइक कोरोना. तो हमें अपनी इम्यूनिटी हमेशा इंक्रीज करनी चाहिए, हमें ऐसा फूड लेना चाहिए जिससे इम्यूनिटी इंक्रीज हो. प्लेटलेट्स, इट हेल्प्स इन ब्लड क्लोटिंग. क्लोटिंग मीन्स ब्लड का जम जाना. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कई बार हमें चोट लग जाती है, then usually blood start to come out from that area, but after some time this blood start to you can say start to coagulate at that area. जमना शुरू हो जाता है वही, जिसको हम बाद में जाके खुरंड भी बोलते हैं. So this blood clotting, अगर प्लेटलेट्स नहीं होती तो ब्लड क्लोटिंग नहीं होती. और सोचिए, then commonly blood start to flow from that area, and it leads to deficiency of blood inside the body, and sometimes the person can dead due to this reason, excessive blood flow. So this is a common difference between three type of blood cells. And this is the bone and cartilage. We will discuss it later. I hope it is enough for you. Okay friends, goodbye. Stay at home and be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.